Okay, so I have reinstalled DietPi on my Raspberry Pi Zero, and I can actually report a working keyboard and mouse. So apparently what happened was I used Balena Etcher to reinstall over the obviously over the previous image, and it was able to somehow fix the USB issue. Obviously it was working before, so there must have been something on it that was not configured right. So I do think Balena Etcher does work in certain cases better than the Raspberry Pi Imager. However, it's not really clear if it was just a distribution that might have, screwed things up or not. But in any case, I'm going to just go ahead and try to log in here. Root DietPi. And I didn't connect the USB, the Wi-Fi, so I will have to set that up. Not sure if I want to go through all that again here, but in the subshell. And then I can also set that up too. So, available. And actually I did plug in this Wi-Fi after I plugged it in, so it might be plug and play after all, in some cases at least. So it's probably going to be searching for the networks. Well, maybe not. Oh wait, never mind. Yeah, now it's blinking. Okay. Well, it could just be that DietPi has a Swiss Army knife of, fixer, patcher things that are, common issues. So kudos to DietPi, because they probably have anticipated this thing. And I don't know if this was the same thing I went through last time. I thought I just selected it from the list, but maybe it's still searching here. Okay. Okay, well I think it is, yeah, it can just scan it. So overall, I spent more than 2 days on this, but little things like USB drivers can really put a damper in the install process. I do recommend this for whatever you're using it for, but at the same time, if you are going to get a Raspberry Pi, don't get this one unless you're not planning on using it very often for USB. It should have more support than that, but that's all I really needed to cover in this video.